Hello, I am at beautiful Suson Park. It is a nice day out, perfect day to feed the babies. I come here, I used to come here like every day, literally every day or every other day, like last summer before things got crazy. And then now I come like once a week. I try to come once a week, and it's a nice outing to see the animals. All of them know me. They know me. So this is Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. I forgot. Do you remember this one's name? What is it? Rose? Oh, so Blanche and Rose, like the Golden Girls. So that's Blanche down there. And this is Rose. And they obviously like to lay out in the sun all day in the mud. And it's a hot day for them. So moving on now. Bye, buddy. Moving on to the male goats and the birds. So these guys can be pretty aggressive, but I mean, they can see me coming a mile away. So this one, I forgot what his name is. I don't know all of their names, but boy, do they love food. Oh, he's gonna try to grab the bag from me. Last time I came here, they completely grabbed the bag. One of them grabbed the bag out of my hand, and I had to like wrestle the plastic bag back, and then luckily I got it. But anyway, there you go. Yeah, as you can see, like his what are these things called? His horns, like they sometimes get stuck, you know, because they have these little things that like, so you know, they can put their head through, but they can't like turn it, you know. I don't know where all his buddies are. It's usually like a ton of them here. Yeah, here you go. A lot of hungry mouths to feed today. So here's his buddy. I forgot this guy's name too, but he's got the long beard, as you can see, and he rules the roast as far as the male goats go. Yeah, I see ya. I just call him Beardy. He's got those big hooves too, and he cannot put his head through, you know. So he just kind of has to stick his little nose through. I love goats. Yeah, is that good? Gotta save some for the females. And like sometimes they'll fight each other to like, see this? They'll fight each other to get to the food. Okay, a little bit more. Okay. Oh, excuse you. Alright, here's another one. Hi, buddy. Oh, see? He runs away from this one. So then I gotta have to get creative. Unfortunately, like my bird feed mixed in with my goat feed. Come here. Here. There we go. You are so nosy. You're such a... You just want to steal the food from all the goats, don't you? Can I get you yet? Ooh! You see that? No. Don't go for that bag. Don't go for that bag. Okay. So now I'm gonna move on. I'll see you guys to the donkeys and the birds. Actually, we have the turkey and the chickens first. Hi there. Hi there. It's hard to feed them because the wires are so close together. You just kind of have to toss it in and let them get it. Sometimes I do feed them out of my hands. All right. Oh, poor guy. Go get it off the bottom. You can hear the roosters. Hi, guys. And the chickens. Hi, ladies. I know, I hear you. I got some. What? I gotta save some for the geese. Oh, don't fight. This one's obviously the alpha group. Okay. Just a little bit more. Then put the ones in the back. Hi. They'll come running when they hear me. Ready? A lot of it falls, and then what's left over the geese come and get. All right, bye, ladies. I know, I know. Over here is like they even have a couple cats. Hi, baby. This is Midnight. She lives out here with the farm animals. She owns the place. And I'm not sure where Trouble is. I really want to get that cool wheel for my cats at home. They would love that. Hi, baby. Don't let the birds boss you around. Okay, now we are on to... Ooh, the mean guys. Now we're on to the geese. And like the longhorn geese, which one of them is like, there's a bunch of females, and then one of them out there is a male. His name is Honk. Honk! Honk! You want food? You want food? No? They're too busy taking their bath. Lucky you guys. Now, most people won't go near geese, but I love them. So, they do bite a little bit, so I wouldn't recommend it, but, and they do even hiss, like as they're, oh, here they come. Here they come. Here they come. I'm having trouble seeing you because of the sun today. Here, let me get in the shade. My lenses are picking them up. Let's see. But anyway, they can be heard. Do you know why the lens wouldn't be picking them up? You see that? There we go. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. Now get ready for them to fight. This is Honk. He's the main one. See, there's goat feed in there too. I don't want to get the goat feed. But unfortunately, like, the goat feed got mixed in with the... I hear you. I hear you. A lot of hungry mouths. Good boy. Being nice today. About a week ago I was here and I saw the goat, or I'm sorry, I saw Honk pick up one of the ducks in his mouth and like throw it, which isn't so nice. Come on, Honk. Come on, Honk. Let some other people eat. No, 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 don't you even dare. But yeah, so this is like my therapy. Like, I love animals so much, and these guys are my, I just love them, you know? Okay. I got lots of birdseed for you guys. Just got mixed up, that's all. I hear you. It went right over your head, dude. Oh, he's chasing the geese away. Hey, be nice to those geese. Or ducks. Hello, look at you looking at me. No. Okay, and then last we have the sheep and the goats and the donkeys. All right, one more. Okay, all done. Bye-bye, guys. I know. I know. Isn't this pretty, though? So this is where the female goats are. And one of the hungriest of all of them is in here. She's not pregnant, but she looks it. She's pleasantly plump. But look at these babies. Aren't they cute? Aren't they precious? Hi there. Hi there. What you doing? What you doing? Yeah. This one's really pretty. It's blue eyes. Oh, don't get stuck. Hey, don't do that. Here's the lady that stole my bag last time. All right, all right. Aren't you going to give some to your babies? Here we go. There's a big one. Look at him stealing. This one's named Cher, by the way, for obvious reasons. All right, Cher. Okay. Gotta give some to the babies. Gotta give some to the babies. Hey, be nice.
Hold your hand flat. Here. Hold your hand flat.
There you go.
That's good. Keep this one. Move over here so this guy doesn't eat all the food again.
Okay. Can see that one sitting over there on the swing.
Alright, come on.
Alright guys, I'm almost out. Look at that. Look at that. You got a lot of nerve. Some over here. Look at her. She just does not give up.
He's there.
Sometimes you have to put it right in their mouth. And even then the big one fights. But I love you anyway. I love you anyway. All right, Sharon, you get the message.
I love him.
All right. There.
Here you go. Here you go.
Hey, buddy. Okay, love. Okay. One more and that's it, okay? Look at you sticking your tongue out at me. I gotta go see Parmesan still. Okay, guys, I'm coming around this way. Ooh, it's so much cooler in here. It's a pretty hot day today. So this is, what was the other one's name? Is Parmesan and starts with a P. Hi, Parmesan. So Parmesan and Pepper Jack. I think Parmesan is the one by the wall. She has like a neurological condition causing her to stumble or lose balance. And they also think like she might have been, she might be a little blind. She didn't get enough oxygen when she was born. But we still love her, don't we, Parmesan? Yeah. And you too, Pepper Jack. You too. I wish you'd come up and see me. You look so soft. You look so soft. You want a little food? You want a little food? Oh, oh, sorry. Didn't mean to stun you. There she is. There she is. Okay. And then last but not least, the donkeys. Hi, guys. I'm just going to give them what's left of my feed. No wonder you're so big. Am I fat shaming you? Don't. Big girl's got to eat, right? There you go. There you go. All right. All right. Here you go. Hi, guys. And over there is where they keep the horses. Probably when I have more time, I'm going to go over there next week or the week after. And these are the donkeys, finally. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. This is Parker. Doesn't he have beautiful hair? I like these guys because you can really pet them, you know? Yeah, you can really pet them.